Finding your fit, understanding wrong size in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're looking at a common term that we all have encountered at some point, wrong size. Have you ever ordered something online, only to find out it doesn't fit? That's when we use the term, wrong size. Let's explore what this phrase means and how to use it in real-life situations. Stay tuned to become more confident in using this everyday English expression. Wrong size refers to an item that doesn't fit properly because it is either too large or too small. It's a phrase we often use when talking about clothing, shoes, or any other item that comes in varying sizes. The word wrong implies a mistake or error, and size refers to the dimensions or measurements of an item. When combined, wrong size indicates that the dimensions of the item are not the correct ones for the intended use or person. Now, let's see how wrong size fits into everyday conversation. Imagine you're shopping for a new shirt. You try one on, but it's tight around the shoulders. You'd say, "This shirt is the wrong size. I need a larger one." Or perhaps you've bought a ring online, but it slips off your finger. You might explain, "They sent me the wrong size. It's too big." Wrong size can also be used metaphorically. For example, if someone tries to fit into a group where they don't share the same interests, you might hear, "He's a good guy, but it's like he's the wrong size for this group." When faced with a wrong size situation, there are a few phrases you might use to resolve it. In a store, you might ask, "Do you have this in a different size?" Or, "Can I exchange this for the right size?" If you're discussing the issue with friends, you might say, "I have to return these shoes. They're the wrong size." It's also common to hear questions like, "What's your size?" or "Did you check the size before buying?" to avoid the problem of getting the wrong size in the first place. It's important to note that talking about size can be sensitive. In some cultures, directly mentioning that something is the wrong size can imply a personal flaw, especially if it relates to body size. To be polite, people often use phrases like, "It's not quite the right fit for me," or "I might need a different style." These phrases soften the message and keep the focus on the clothing rather than the person's body. Understanding the phrase, wrong size, is key to navigating shopping experiences and can help in many practical situations. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit. Whether it's for clothing, shoes, or even social situations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of wrong size. If you've ever had an experience with getting the wrong size, share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.